Question 6 says that 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? So first let's start by understanding the meaning of 3 consecutive integers. Consecutive means one after the other. So 3 consecutive integers would be, for example, let's take 7, 8, 9. So these are 3 consecutive integers. Or take 13, 14, 15. These are also 3 consecutive integers. But we have to find 3 consecutive integers which add up to 51. So what we can do is we can start by assuming the smallest of those integers to be a certain variable. So let's assume that the smallest of the 3 consecutive integers is x. Now what will be the other 2 integers in terms of x? So for example, if the smallest integer is 7, then the next integer is 7 plus 1 and the third integer is 7 plus 2. So in terms of x, we can write the second integer or the middle integer as x plus 1 and the third integer, the last integer, as x plus 2. So basically what we have is we have written basically the 3 consecutive integers as x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now we need to make use of the fact that these 3 integers add up to 51. So the sum of these 3 integers, the sum of x and x plus 1 and x plus 2, this sum should be equal to 51. And this gives us an equation in x that we can now solve. So let's do that. We have x, x and x, so that's 3x, and we have 1 and 2, that's 3. So we get 3x plus 3 is equal to 51. Now let's take this plus 3 and transpose it to the right side. So we will get 3x is equal to 51 and minus 3. So 51 minus 3 is 48. And now we have this 3x here, so we need to get rid of this 3. So let's divide both sides of the equation by 3. So we will get x on the left side and on the right side we have this 48. So 48 by 3, that is equal to 16. So we get x is equal to 16. Alright, now we have found the value of x and that will give us the 3 integers immediately. So the smallest integer is x or 16. The next integer is x plus 1 or 17. And the third integer is x plus 2 or 18. So the 3 consecutive integers we wanted to find are 16, 17 and 18, and we can verify that this answer is correct. If we calculate the sum 16 plus 17 plus 18, we will find that this will be 51. So that completes question number 6. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.